This is Ben from shouldIGetIt.com, and in this video I want to talk to you about the iPhone 13 Pro 77mm camera. And all the cameras, they all have very similar sensors and apertures. As you can see, I'm filming in cinematic mode right now to try it out. The blur behind me on the skateboards looks a little bit fake, but it's pretty cool for a phone. After I picked up the phone yesterday from the Apple store at the 3rd Street store in Santa Monica, California, I went out and looked for whoever was in cool lighting conditions or had cool outfits. So I ended up doing a couple of mini shoots with the camera, and as you can see, after some editing, the files look awesome. Firstly, I want to talk to you about the shoot that I did with Peter. As you can see, we shot in the sunlight with some colorful flowers behind him. We were going to have him bend over the flowers to get some really nice vibrant color behind his afro, but there were a lot of bees in there, so we decided to pull against it. And you can see that we ended up with some cool, more candid looking photos in the shade. Then I went into the parking structure actually to go home, and I saw these two gentlemen and this cool little billboard poster that was backlit, and I want to try out that lighting. So I ended up taking some photos of Brian here, who I just met, and as you can see, the detail when we zoom into his face looks really crisp. The background does not look too fake, the bokeh is really nice, and after a little bit of editing it looks fantastic. And then I decided to try a little bit more of a challenge for the iPhone with low light and portrait mode at the same time. And as you can see, we went into a stairwell that just had some very ugly lighting, almost no lighting actually in the portion with the actual steps. You can see that this photo came out really nicely, and with some editing in ViscoCam to make it a black and white, the photo looked fantastic. So if you're thinking about getting an iPhone 13 Pro for street photography, I would recommend it. This telephoto lens in itself, that's what made me get the 13 Pro over the 13. Both phones are going to be amazing for photos, and as you can see, pretty good for video as well. But I just wanted to make this video in case anyone asks me what I think of using this camera or that camera for portraits. Honestly, I recommend you get an iPhone 13 Pro. Start shooting with that. You can shoot, edit, and share all on one device. Also, if it's a phone, you probably need one anyways, and that's how you should get started. From then, you can step up to, Nikon, Canon, Fuji, Sony, Panasonic, whatever you're gonna shoot with. But I'm gonna let you guys go, and I hope you subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.